As an industry, the pilot shortage really gets all the press, but quite frankly, there's just as big as a shortage of technicians as there is the pilots. So I've seen a lot of quality tools in my 20 years in the industry, but I have never seen the shadowing done in the professional way that Sonic does it. Certainly unique in this industry, and that's what really caught my attention. A tooling supplier like Sonic that has the vision to understand that they can partner with us was the most important piece, I think, of the whole program. So Sonic providing a quality tool with an enhanced level of safety with the shadowing that they do and at a reasonable cost point was just a seamless fit right into those core principles that we were looking for. I've had numerous requests from licensed technicians that already have a toolkit that have said, hey, I want one of those kits, how do I buy it? Those guys that use these tools every day are just as impressed with the overall product as I am.